A very beautiful day, and I have the opportunity to have a look at Founders Inc. Garage. Let's see who is so kind to give me a visit. In the garage, let's see. So tell me a little bit about yourself and what you guys are doing.
So we built industrial robot arms, which now you can talk to program them. And the idea is like robots have always been these machines which have to be commissioned. You know, you need like engineers who will go and measure everything, make like a rigid robot, and then take like 6 months to deploy one of these. What we are trying to do is, you get these as an appliance, and then you open a box, you talk to the robot to teach it what you do, and then within a day, it starts working on your line.
Let's have a look at the software over there. This is now the new object, and this has been the other object before. And now you say, like, what is this? Then he scans it, and then afterwards you can see it, and then you can select it. Yeah. And then you can tell the robot what to do with it. Mm-hmm.
We are using it to basically train some of our models and do some work to refine things.
Tell me how all this started, how this got together.
So we started as a furniture company. We were making furniture using robots, and by a robot we basically built like a CNC machine in my parents' basement, and we used to sell that furniture to co-working spaces. If you're trying to make something which is going to be sustainable, it's just going to take longer. I think world is, for building physical hardware, you need to fail a certain number of times. And unless you do that, you can't create something which is sustainable. The thing about humanoids is they are not accurate, at least as of now. Mm-hmm. And it may not even make sense, right? Like, why do you need legs for standing while you're spending 40% of your battery power at any given time? It just, where you could have something fixed. So I believe like there is a lot which needs to happen in the humanoids to become like the Star Wars humanoids. Till then we have something which works, right? It just needs some love from all the roboticists. I think that's something which we want to do. We want to like put all our attention on smaller factories where it's very human driven, and all those humans are now getting old.